Hey guys, back again for part 3. So this is the float bowl. You'll take this 10 millimeter off right here. That gives you access to the carburetor. You have a pin right there. You slide that out, and that removes the float with the needle. And then inside of right there, and this right here, there's a flathead. You'll take that out. That's your main jet, and take that out, and then you use the Phillips head to take out this idle set screw, and that gives you this also space to take this jet out as well. After you remove that, clean the carburetor with Dawn soap, hot soapy water, blow it out with either compressed air and 2+2, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.